Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw claims info from Lemonade. To withdraw claims information from Lemonade, start by logging into your Lemonade account. Navigate to the claims section in your dashboard. Review the claims listed to identify the specific claim you want to summarize. Click on the claim to access its detailed information. Take note of key details such as the claim number, date of filing, and current status. Scroll down to find the description of the incident and any correspondence related to the claim. Highlight important points that you want to include in your summary. Next, open your preferred AI summarization tool or platform. Input the detailed claim information into the tool's text field. Specify any parameters for the summary, such as length or focus areas. Review the generated summary for accuracy and completeness. Edit the summary if necessary to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Save the final summary in an accessible format, such as a document or PDF. Consider organizing summaries chronologically or by claim type for easy reference. Compile all summaries into a single folder for efficient management. Regularly update your summaries as new claims arise or existing ones change. This process will help you maintain organized and concise overviews of your insurance claims. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.